Place Value, Volume 3, Converting Numbers from Spoken Form to Numerical Form on Math Visions with your math jockey, Mitchell Weaver. If you're not familiar with place value, feel free to watch Place Value Volumes 1 and 2 first. Looking at our place value chart, let's write 480,072 in numerical form. Since there are no place values ending in THS, we know all the digits will be to the left of the decimal. Since the first portion of this number is 480,000, we look for the portion of the chart with place values to the left of the decimal containing the word thousands. You'll see hundred thousands, 10,000s, and thousands. We have 400, so 4 goes in the hundred thousands place. Next, we have 80, so 8 goes in the 10,000s place. Since this portion reads as 480,000 without a number between 80 and 1,000, we put a 0 in the thousands place followed by a comma. Basically, this is the same thing as having written 480, comma. The next portion is 72. Since this portion is just 72 without million, thousand, tenths, thousandths, etc. behind it, we look for the portion of the chart with hundreds, tens, and ones. Since 72 is only a double-digit number, and this portion of our big number is between the decimal and the farthest left digit, we write a placeholder 0 in the hundreds place. We have 70, so 7 goes in the tens place. At last, we have 2, and that goes in the ones place. So this means we write our number as 480,072. How about 41,200,003 and 39 thousandths? Since we see the word "and" along with the place value that ends in THS, this means we have a whole number portion and a decimal portion. Thinking back to our previous example, what should we do first? If you said write 41, comma, for 41 million, that's correct. Next, we have 200,000. If you said write 200, comma, after 41, that's correct. We do not need any placeholder zeros between 41 and 200, since 200 is a triple digit number. Our next portion just reads 3 by itself. What should we do now? If you guessed, write a placeholder 0 in the hundreds place and another in the tens place, then write 3 in the ones place. You're right, since 3 is a single digit number, and it falls between the decimal and the farthest left digit in the big number. Now, for our decimal portion, 39 thousandths. After we write our decimal to the right of 3, what do we do next? If we look at our place values above the digits we've already written, we see that the thousandths place is 3 spaces to the right of the decimal. Since our decimal portion is represented as thousandths, this means our final digit to the right of the decimal has to be in this place. So we write 9 from 39 thousandths, 3 spaces to the right of the decimal. Next, we write 3 from 39 thousandths just to the left of 9. But if you notice, we still have a blank space between the decimal and the 3 and 39 thousandths. What should we do? If you guessed put a placeholder 0 here, you're right. Finally, we have 4,302 10 thousandths. If you notice, we don't see the word "and," but we do have a place value 10 thousandths that ends with THS. In this case, all of the digits will be to the right of the decimal. We'll do this one by writing 4,302 without a comma, since the digits to the right of the decimal are not separated into groups. Looking at our place values, we see that 10 thousandths are 4 spaces to the right of the decimal. This means that 2 from 4,300 to 10 thousandths has to go here. Based on this, we write our remaining digits in the respective places. If you notice, we don't have any blank spaces between 4 and the decimal. Therefore, we do not need to write any placeholder zeros between the decimal and 4. You can, however, write a 0 to the left of the decimal if you want. And 4,302, not followed by a place value ending in THS, is written as normal. Well, that's a wrap for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my knowledge building exercises, link below in the description. I look forward to meeting with you right here next time on Math Visions.